hate clutter, but love a clean, organized home. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 must-have products that make it easy to declutter and organize every inch of your home. These products are ones I've used and recommended for years to help clients transform their spaces quickly and easily. You can find links to all these items in my Amazon store in the description below. Product number 1, vacuum sealed storage bags. Every single home must have these. Vacuum sealed storage bags are amazing for saving space. I recommend using them for bulky items like blankets, seasonal clothing, or guest bedding. They shrink down to practically nothing, so you can get back closet or drawer space you didn't even know you had. Plus, they're great for keeping things dust-free. I recommend adding a dryer tissue to keep the items smelling fresh. They literally save you 90% of your space. These things are absolutely incredible, and they come in a variety of different sizes, so you also want to be mindful of the size that you're buying. They have small, medium, large, extra large. If you're tired of reaching to the back of your cabinets or having to jump over things or remove things to get something that you need out, this next product will change your life. It is just so versatile, and I use it all over my house. And it is a Lazy Susan. They're perfect for organizing spices, condiments, or even under the sink. With a simple spin, you can grab what you need without making a mess. I keep one in my refrigerator as well as cabinets, but they're also great in the bathroom cabinets and especially for beauty and hair products. When making your purchase, pay attention to the size, and they also come in 2 levels, which is great if height is not an issue. This next product is geared towards probably the most messiest spaces in our homes. And this is where UnderSync organizers come in. Whether it's your kitchen or your bathroom, under the sink tends to look like junk drawers. Oftentimes, UnderSync spaces is wasted due to poor organization. With stackable UnderSync organizers, you can store cleaning supplies, extra sponges, and other household items in easy-to-access drawers. They make it so easy to grab and see what you need without having to sift through everything under there. And check out how much more space you will be saving. These next organizers are a lifesaver for small spaces. I live in New York, and closet space is one of our number one issues in New York City apartments, as in closet space is almost non-existent, and even if we do have closets, they tend to be incredibly tiny. Whether it's in a bathroom, bedroom, or closet, over-the-door organizers let you maximize storage without taking up any floor space. I love using them for shoes, cleaning supplies, or even toiletries. This one is super inexpensive, and who says you have to use it for shoes anyways? Store gloves, hats, crafts, kids' toys, whatever you can fit in these little slots. Of course, the number one thing when it comes to efficiently organizing your home is to declutter first. We do not organize clutter. That is a nightmare waiting to happen. It's also a huge waste of your time. So if you're looking to finally achieve an organized, clean, and tidy space, I'm offering a holiday special of 75% off on my one-on-one decluttering coaching. This promotion will actually only last for 4 days. To learn more, you can click on the link in the description. Number 5, must have, and super inexpensive. Drawer dividers bring order to chaotic drawers. You can use them for anything from office supplies to kitchen utensils to keep everything separated and easy to find. These dividers are especially great if you have a junk drawer that needs some serious organization. Number 6, clear storage bins. Clear storage bins are perfect for organizing pantries, closets, or even your refrigerator. They're stackable, easy to label, and because they're clear, you can see exactly what you're grabbing. I recommend these for food items, crafts, or kids' toys. One thing that can make any home look incredibly cluttered are the mayhem that is our cord and wires. Cord organizers help keep wires tucked away neatly behind your desk or entertainment center. I can't tell you how much of a difference this makes, especially if you love that minimalist look. Number 8 are hanging shelves for kitchen cabinets. Kitchen cabinets are notorious that when they are built, there's a ton of extra space. The height is what kind of cup reaches from bottom to top? And it's what do we do with the extra space? Which is why I love maximizing every single inch of our kitchen, right? Because the kitchens are prime real estate. We tend to have a lot going on in the kitchen. So an organized kitchen, especially for us, if you spend a lot of time in the kitchen, you want something to be organized and seamless and fit everything that you need, which is why hanging shelves are absolutely fantastic. Hanging shelves add extra storage without needing a full cabinet overhaul. These shelves give you an additional layer with your cabinets, making it easier to store cups, plates, or pantry items. I especially love using them for travel mugs so I can maximize every inch of my cabinet space. Number 9 are any type of foldable storage bins. Foldable storage boxes are great for seasonal clothing, kids' toys, or even holiday decor. When they're not in use, you can fold them up and store them without taking up extra space. These are practical and easy to tuck into any closet. I also use them when I host over the holidays to have my guests dump their shoes. I host, they toss, they leave, and I put the bin away. And lastly, number 10 is a label maker. A label maker is a game changer for keeping your organization system in place. Whether you're labeling storage bins, pantry items, tools, or closet sections, labeling helps you and everyone else in the house know exactly where things go. They are especially great if you have kids who have grown out of their clothing and you wish to expand your family in the future. You can simply label the clothing bins by size so it's all ready to go for your next baby. These 10 products are all about making home organization simple and effective. The truth is you don't need a lot of organization. You don't need a lot of bells and whistles. You just need practical items that seamlessly organize each and every space of your home. Check out my Amazon store link in the description for all of these products. As always, thank you so much for watching. Good luck on your decluttering journey, and remember to be good to yourself.